Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm going to be doing the tafsir of Surah Yusuf from ayahs number 22 to 24. So let's get started. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Starting with ayah number 22, it says, "Walamma balaga ashuddahu ataynahu hukman wa ilma wa kazalika nadzil muhsinin." And when Yusuf reached the age of maturity, we granted him judgment and knowledge. Thus do we reward those who do good. So let's read the tafsir. Allah blessed Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam with two great blessings when he matured. First was the power to make decisions, and the second one was knowledge. These are the two very important qualities that help make wise decisions and have a successful life. So these were the two blessings that Allah blessed him with, and Allah says that we reward those who do good. So actually, as Prophet Yusuf was a very like he has been doing good all his life, so that was the reason why Allah granted him these two great blessings. Moving on to the next ayah, which is ayah number 23, it says, وراودته التي هو في بيتها عن نفسه وغلقت الأبواب وقالت هيت لك قال معاذ الله إنه ربي أحسن مثواي إنه لا يفلح الظالمون. And it so happened that the lady in whose house Yusuf was living sought to tempt him to herself, and one day bolting the doors she said, "Come on now, haytalak." Yusuf answered, "May Allah grant me refuge. My Lord has provided an honorable abode for me, and how can I do something so evil? Such wrongdoers never prosper." So let's read the tafsir. Allah states that the wife of Aziz of Egypt, in whose house Yusuf resided, and whose husband told her that she take good care of Yusuf, tried to seduce Yusuf. She locked the doors and ordered Yusuf alayhi salam to do what she said, and Yusuf alayhi salam refused and went towards the locked doors. Moving on to the next ayah, which is ayah number 24, it says, وَلَقَدْ هَمَّتْ بِهِ وَهَمَّ بِهَا لَوْلَا أَن رَأَىٰ بُرْهَانَ رَبِّهِ كَذَلِكَ لِنَصْرِفَ عَنْهُ السُّوءَ وَالْفَحْشَاءَ إِنَّهُ مِنْ عِبَادِنَا الْمُخْلَصِينَ. And she advanced towards him, and had Yusuf not perceived a sign from his Lord, he too would have advanced. Thus was Yusuf shown a sign from his Lord, and we might avert from him all evil and indecency, for indeed he was one of our chosen servants. Moving on to the tafsir of this ayah, Ibn Jarir at-Tabari said, the correct opinion is that we should say that he saw an ayah or sign from Allah. This might have been the image of his father, or the image of an angel, or a divine statement that forbade him from doing that evil sin. There are no clear proofs to support any of these statements in specific, so it should be left vague as Allah left it so. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, I'll be continuing further in my future videos. Till then, fi amanallah.